everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is a famous and beautiful place in India. It is located in the city of Amritsar in the state of Punjab. The temple is also known as Harmandir Sahib. It is an important and holy place for Sikhs. The temple is covered with gold, which makes it shine brightly. There is a big pool of water around the temple called the Amrit Sarovar. People from all over the world visit the Golden Temple. Inside, there is a special book called the Guru Granth Sahib. The temple offers free food to everyone called langar. The Golden Temple is a symbol of peace and kindness. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.